Have you ever thought what will happen if you can master this trend and breakout strategy? I can guarantee you that this trend and strategy that I'm about to show you, you have never seen it before. And if you can master this trend and breakout strategy, your trading, it will change forever. How you see the market, it will change. So point number one, when you're drawing it should have two touches or more. If it has one touch, it's invalid. So as you can see here, let me just try it again. So if you can see here, we have our first touch here. Then there is our third touch. Then after a breakout, what you're gonna do, you don't just enter on a breakout just after a candlestick close. No, you don't enter exactly there. What we just have to do, we have to look for another shoulder. As you can see on the left hand side, you just have to put your triangle here. As you can see there on the left hand side, there's a shoulder there. So what you're gonna do, you have to be patient. You have to wait for the market to respect you first. So you're gonna wait first. You're going to wait and put your stop loss above there, little bit there. So you're gonna wait for weak rejection or engulfing candlesticks. You can use your candlesticks that you use for confirmation. So on an exit point, what you're gonna do for you to exit, you're gonna exit. Your first TP is gonna be here, because at this point the market has once created a bigger move, so it has a possibility to reverse there. Then again on this point here, on this point, the market did create a bigger move. On this point again, the market did create a bigger move. So what we're gonna do after that, this one is gonna be your first TP, then this one is gonna be your second TP, then a third TP. So you just have to be patient. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay. You're starting to see those weak rejection here. You enter here. So after entering, you put your stop loss below there. Then you just have to wait after that. Let's see. Boom, TP1 hit. Now you have hidden your TP1. You can lock your profit there below your TP. Then you just have to wait again. You are still waiting. As you can see, we are about to hit. Boom, your TP3 hit. Then you are done. So again, here is another one point. You're gonna draw your trend line first, your second touch, your first touch, your second touch, as you can see. Then after that, you're gonna draw a triangle here. You have to wait for the market to come to that point. Sometimes the market cannot come, but if you trade this way, you're gonna be more profitable than if you don't use confirmation at all. Then you're gonna wait for market to break out. Boom, the market break out. Someone will enter here who doesn't know this strategy exactly. How does this strategy work? Will enter here and put his stop loss there, put his TP here. You will see, you will get stop out. Let's go. You just have to be patient. The market has to come back to your point. That's the thing. You see here, if maybe you are scared, you can just enter exactly at this point. Then you just have to put your stop loss below your shoulder. Then you're gonna put your TP there. This one is gonna be your first TP again. Remember that. This one is going to be your first TP. Then your second TP is gonna be this point here. The market did come back, you see, as you can see there. Boom. Could have made money. Your first TP was gonna get hit. Then the second TP, the market was gonna come back here, almost being taken out. Let's try another example, the last example. So again, here is another one. As you can see at this point here. Our first touch, our second touch. So guys, this strategy can only work. You can use it at 4 hours time frame, 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame, any time frame that you wanna use. But you have to wait for confirmation. So the next thing that we're gonna wait for, but we have to mark. As you can see, this point, there's a high possibility of making market to reverse. So right now we're gonna wait for the market to break out. Then you're gonna, you know that when the market, let's play. Okay, the breakout happened, guys. After breakout, you don't have to rush to enter exactly at this point. No, you just have to be patient and wait. The market will come to you. You don't have to chase the market. The market has to respect. You just respect the market, but the market has to come to your point, to exactly entry point. So after that, you're gonna put your stop loss above there. Then you have to mark your take profit. This one is gonna be your take profit, first take profit. Then this one is gonna be your second take profit. So right now we're gonna check what's gonna happen. And when the market come back to a point, you have to wait for engulfing candlestick or a weak rejection. Let's wait. You see, it's trying to manipulate people. So people, they will think the market is gonna sell there. But you just have to be patient. That's the rule of the game. See? Okay, boom. You are in right now. But you have to wait for confirmation. You are not in exactly. Let's wait. Boom. You see? Your first TP hit it immediately. So now we are waiting for second. Okay, second TP didn't get hit, but your first TP get hit. This is how it works, guys. So here is another point. This one is our last one. As you can see, our first, our second touch. Then on the second touch, most people are gonna enter immediately there. But if you're gonna learn this strategy, you just have to be patient. And remember, confirmation comes first when it comes to these zones. I will try to drop more confirmation videos. You're gonna enter exactly at this point when the market come here. But you have to wait for confirmation when the market come. Then you have to put your first TP. This one is gonna be your first. This one is gonna be your second TP. Okay, let's wait and check what's gonna happen. Okay, you see, the market took you in. Boom. Your first TP got hit. Your second TP got hit. You are down. You are out. Love you guys.